If you're watching this video, you're probably having problems installing iOS 15 on your iPhone. And to give you some clues how to fix this, I'll try to help you. First, you need to go into Settings, then scroll down until you see Battery. Tap on it and make sure that low power mode, the first option right here, is turned off. If yours is turned on, like this one, when it's green, just tap on it and it will be off. This is a common mistake, and the iPhone won't let you install the new update if the low power mode is turned on. If this didn't work, another simple thing you can try is to turn on airplane mode, let it sit like this for about 15 seconds, and then turn it off. Your phone will now try to reconnect to your network, and this may be solving your problem. Another thing you can try, if again this didn't work, is to restart your iPhone. So depending on which iPhone you have, turn it completely off and turn it on back again and try installing the update. Another trick that you can do is to check if you have enough storage on your iPhone, since the new iOS 15 takes about 8 gigabytes. So you need to have those 8 gigs free before even starting upgrading. To make sure you have it, you need to go into Settings, then go into General, this one, then iPhone Storage, tap on it. And here you'll be able to see how much gigs you have left in the internal memory of your iPhone. So make sure you have at least 8. If you don't have it, you will just have to erase some apps, some pictures, or also some 4K videos, because those are taking a lot of space. Thanks for watching, and I hope after doing this you'll be able to install iOS 15 on your iPhone.